It's been 15 years and we still don't have the futuristic goo fridge. This super compact rectangle full of sussy gel is actually just a refrigerator that suspends your food in a non-sticky green jello rather than using shelves to hold everything. There's no doors, and if it sounds too good to be true, or too weird even, that's because that seems to be the case. The BioRobot refrigerator was actually a finalist in the Electrolux Design Lab contest all the way back in 2010. It generated a pretty healthy amount of buzz because of that, but suspiciously, there's no videos of anyone actually reaching into one of these. It was always just a concept. Allegedly, the idea was that the icky junk to be some sort of biopolymer gel that gets cooled through luminescence, keeps your food stank contained, and can even be hung on the ceiling.